Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, just a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be able to enter our website where you can find the codes assigned to this device, so you can always, for example, copy them and paste them to your dialer. Alright, so let's start by opening the dialer, and let me show you the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the email numbers and the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you a very similar code, which is *#07#. And thanks to this you can enable or check basically the maximum SAR level, so the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is pretty easy to remember. It is *1234#. And thanks to this you can check the version. Let me show you another code which will open the hardware information. It is *888#. And as you can see here, we've got the PCB number highlighted. What is more, you can scan this QR code with another device and you can check more information about this one. Or you can simply make a screenshot and take a screenshot and check the information. Let me show you another code, which is *800#. And thanks to this code we can enter the feedback menu. So basically, if you've got any problems with your device, with the screen, the touch option, the connection, so for example the Wi-Fi, basically anything, you can enter here. You can mark, you can enter proper sections, so for example the touch screen, and you will be able to record the screen just by tapping on start, and you will be able to catch the problem you've got and then simply not respond, but report it to the developer. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *#6776#. And here we've got the technical information about the software. So for example, we can check the exact model, the kernel, branch, build time, etc. Let's go back and let me show you another technical code, which is provided by Google. It is *#426#**#. And basically, thanks to this code, you are able to check the server, host, port, and the time connected. You can tap on events, and here you've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And here we've got more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *#225#**#. And as I said, or I did not, basically we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.